What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Big Kev, back in the game, ready to show you how to use Pancake Swap to buy cryptos that are not listed. Now, sometimes cryptos have just come out and you want to get on them early so that you can find those massive gains. And sometimes these coins may never reach a main exchange. Now, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Safemoon in this example, but this example can be used for anything as long as you follow the same things. You will be able to buy your crypto and store it in the right wallet as long as the wallet accepts the crypto.
First, you need to go into CoinMarketCap. This is a very good site for finding your coins if it's registered. As you can see it right here, you can scroll down and see what's happening with the coin. You click into markets to see where the coin is being sold. So we can see it's on Pancake Swap, and those are the pairs that you can use. Okay, so we're going to go over to CoinGecko. I find CoinGecko a lot better than CoinMarketCap because you can do one thing here and you can work out where the actual coin is, just like CoinMarketCap, but you can also see how much it's going to cost you for an individual coin, and you can see the contracts as well. This section right here, I went into the wrong one, but we'll flip that in a sec. All right, into US dollars, how much is $1 US going to cost us? And that is a crazy price right there. So if we play around with it a bit, and we can see how much a certain amount will cost. So I don't really want that much. I don't really want to spend thousands, so let's not get crazy. So I'm going to go down to about $15. That's what I want to top up what I already have in my Trustwallet. And here you can also see which markets the coin is being sold on, and also the pairs that it's being sold on as well, which pairs it's actually being sold as. So I go to my Trust wallet, and here you click on the 4 buttons, which is the dApps in the app, and just type in Pancake. Being I've used Pancake Swap before, it's already saved in my history because I've bookmarked it. There's a section where you can bookmark it, but I've deleted it out when we go into the next page so that you can see the process if you're doing it brand new. So in the top right hand corner, you'll see a black Ethereum button. Now, if you've got your wallet connected, this will automatically go to it. So what I do, I click on that button and then I click into Binance Smart Chain, and that will give us the wallet. You can see it's connected in the top corner. Then you click onto trading, and this is where, if you have an unlisted coin, you have to find what the contract is, and this is what's good about CoinMarketGecko. They have the contracts there. Sometimes the developer might actually put it on their website, but this is where you will go and find it, put it in here, and as you can see, it's brought it up. So you click into where it has Safemoon. When you do that, it will allow you to paste in that smart contract. And once you put the contract in, it will draw this in. So what I'm doing, being that I know I want $15, I've got a Binance coin in there. So I need to work out what $15 in Binance money is. So I go in to the Binance coin and I put in $15 and it gives me the breakdown. So that's a little trick that you can do. I go back in, I type it in. Okay, so that is in, and it's going to give me this crazy amount. So that's about 10 million coins for $15. So now when you click swap, you'll see how much you'll get and how much it's going to charge you. But if you get this error, it means that you have to change your slippage. Now, slippage is the amount that you're happy to give away. It's going to be a cost. And WhatsApp out here trying to snitch on man, but we keep it moving. Now, as you can see, I changed the slippage with that cog in the top corner. And we're going to try to process this out. And as you can see, we're changing the slippage each and every time. Sometimes you can go the opposite way and you can get a better deal. But in this case, being that this is such a popular coin and it's not on a actual exchange outside Pancake Swap, so what you'll have to do is actually just keep trying to entice someone to actually take that deal. So at the moment, we're going up the scale, and there's going to be a point where you're going to be like, no, I don't want to give up that much. But being that it's such a popular coin, a lot of people will put a higher slippage just to get on it. So that's been rejected again. So let's see if we go up to 11, which is what a lot of people say that you can actually get this coin for. Let's see if that works. Nope. All right. We're going to have to go a little bit higher. 15? Nah. Let's put it down to 13. Every little bit counts. All right, we've got success. So you can see what the breakdown is, and let's click through. Okay, that's been done. So that's all been bought up. So let's go back to our wallet. Let's click back and back again on the phones. So after I refresh a couple times, the coins are here. So if you click on the filters by the top right hand corner, you get to see this section here. And this is where you can turn on your coins or turn them back off. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, this is if this coin isn't showing or any unlisted coin isn't showing, this is where you have to add your token. So what we'll have to do is go back to find what the actual contract is. So I'm just going to go back to CoinGecko, type in Safemoon, and as soon as we get into it, this is where you click. If you had a MetaMask, you'll be able to click the fox, and also right here we click just the copy sign. That's copied to our clipboard. We go back to our Trustwallet and we paste it in. Now you type in the name afterwards, Safemoon in this instance, but this could be any coin that you are futurely putting into your wallet. Now I've got to find what the ticker is. I kind of went back to front on this one. See, the ticker is what is it normally known as in the industry. So if you're typing this in for the first time, it might not have a ticker straight away, but in many cases you can call it what you want, to be honest. As you can see right here on CoinGecko, the ticker is Safemoon itself. So we type in Safemoon. And the amount of decimals is 9, which I saw earlier, but I'll show you how to get back to that. Now if you click into BSC scan, which is Binance Smart Chain scan, you'll see down there that it's 9. So put 9 into the decimals and you click done. You might have to turn it on in this section here, but this is how you would buy something on Pancake Swap Pancake Swap. And also, this is where it will show once you can put it into your wallet.
And that's how you buy an unlisted crypto on an exchange like Pancake Swap. These little exchanges are invaluable to the ecosystem when it comes to newly launched cryptos that are not on the major exchanges. Now, this is Big Kev signing out. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace to the next time.